I know you heard this many times, but what if I told you that I found the perfect way for you to make some money from an affiliate marketing strategy? And it will definitely make you some money, not only from selling a digital product, but it will also help you with many ways. Because for many years, I've been looking for ways to make some sales, but I have failed many times. But finally, I developed the perfect program that will help you with your Amazon affiliate links and make you some cash. But not only that, this program will also help you promote your videos. So if you are an influencer and you make content, this will definitely give you some advantage. So make sure you stay until the end of this video because this will blow your mind. I guarantee it. And also don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Okay, so let's start with what it is. The program that I am about to show you, it's software for making designs or outsourcing designs. This is a software that I developed that will help you with your affiliates, also advertise your YouTube videos, and you can also sell this software and make cash. So you have three ways to make money by selling this software: by promoting your videos and your affiliate links that go down here, your Amazon links. All right, and this software is for people that want to outsource like DTF transfers, screen printing transfers. They don't want to buy like an expensive software like Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW. Those softwares are for like machine, like printers, vinyl cutters. But some people just want a side hustle. They want to outsource, and they can just download like PNG, JPG files. And here's some extra templates that they can use, high quality, for their DTF transfers. There's a lot of templates here that I will be uploading more. And now, before we advance, let me show you the proof that I have sold this software many times. I have 2 in the shopping cart. There's 10 people that heart this item, possible leads that I will sell them later. And look how many sales. 5 sold just from a few months. And let me be honest, I do have an audience, so I promote this a lot. But if you don't have an audience, or if you're just starting, it's just a matter of time before you sell this product, because if you promote it on your YouTube channel as a software for people that do t-shirts, stickers, and all of that, it's just a matter of time before you get some leads. Or if you are into that, if you're making stickers, if you have a vinyl cutter, you make videos, this is also perfect for you. So now that I have shown you the sales and what the software does, let me show you this. So let me refresh. So once people enter the software, they will come and see this pop out, and they will close the window, but it will take them to somebody's video on a different screen. Look, and this is just a random person, but let's say you bought this software from me. How do you program your software? Here's a YouTube page. I'm gonna show you just a random person. Let's do this guy actually. But first, let me show you. This is the code for the software. So I'm going to show you how to program it. It looks intimidating, but it's not as hard as you think. Just as long as you don't mess up with other parts of the code, because that might ruin your entire software. So just be very careful with that. So let's close this. Let me show you. This is the software, okay? So we're gonna do a right click. You will see this list open with Notepad, and this is the code, okay? Now, this is the software. This is an HTML program. How do you program the video for your channel here? Let's pretend that you are this guy, okay? Let's pretend that this is your YouTube video. The first thing you wanna do is get the YouTube video ID. Where is that located? And by the way, I recommend that you do this with a desktop or a computer. Don't do this mobile. First of all, because the software is not for mobile, it's only for computers. So this is the code, the ID for the video, this right here. And then you just do a right click and copy the video ID. Now go to your code and press Control on your keyboard keep it pressed, control and the letter F, and you will see this. Okay, now let's type in YouTube, okay, and find next. Make sure it's down, not up. Okay, down. So let's find next, and here it is. So that this is like a shortcut. It will take you straight to what you're looking for. Okay, so the YouTube ID that you're gonna paste, that we copy, is gonna go here after embedded. Okay, so you're gonna go, do not erase the question mark, just go from this YouTube ID right here. All right, and it's gonna be after the YouTube address. You can see the YouTube address here, and you can just do the right click and paste, and there's the ID. Okay, now it might seem that you're done, but you're not done. Okay, because you're gonna go and click again, find next. It will take you to what we call the script, or where it's going to take you after you click. Okay, here's the YouTube ID right here. You can see it here. Just highlight this. Again, do not erase anything else, because if you erase this little comma thing here, that will definitely screw up your entire code. That's the only downside about HTML. But once you get it, trust me, it's really fun. I really enjoy working with HTML. And now that I have saved that, now let's go and save. Okay, now check out the video that we're playing from this person. Okay, make sure you recognize it right here. All right, so now let's close this and let's refresh this, because we already saved the video. And now let's close the pop-out. Look at that. That's the same video of the same guy that we just programmed. Okay, it's no longer the other person that was already there. See that? There's the video. All right, so now after people close that, it will take them to your video. Now let's talk about the Amazon affiliate links. Okay, now same thing with this. You click on any of the links, it will take them to a page, which in this occasion is the Etsy account for transfers. Okay, but if you have an Amazon affiliate links, you know for sure that you can sell pretty much anything. It doesn't matter the topic. Once you have your account approved, of course you must have an audience or a web page for you to be approved by Amazon links, and you can program your Amazon links here. Okay, so since you are selling this software for people that do t-shirts, stickers and all of that, let me show you how you can program your Amazon links. Okay, you're gonna go, and of course you want to put like vinyl cutters, because they will give you a good percentage for this type of machines. Okay, so that way people can see those links down there. So let's click on this one. Now the first thing you're gonna do is get the image. Okay, now you're gonna click on the image, do a click, and you will see this pop out. Do a right click and go where it says copy image address. Okay, go and click. Now go to the code. Let's get rid of this. Now we can find this over here. And the way you're gonna find this is you're gonna see all this section here. You can see it's all alike. Okay, let me point it out where it is. It is on the section called products to consider for your t-shirt business. Okay, now how do you know that? Well, come down here. Is right here, products to consider for your t-shirt business, and below that's where you see all the images, all the links. Okay, and that's how you're gonna find it. You can also type it. Let's say you do a copy like this, copy the text, and if you cannot find it on the code, just do the same thing I showed you earlier, Control F, and just type in what you just copy. Okay, paste and find. Okay, if it's not up, go up, switch to up, and right here, look at that, it's pointing out where it is. So no matter where you are in the code, find next. It will take you next depending on where you are on the code. Okay, So let's say that if you are up, so it's gonna find it on where you are depending on the code. Okay, there you go, right here. It took me exactly where it is. Now after we did a copy image address, do a click and go to the code and find the first one, because we want to change this one where the girl is. Okay, that's the one that we're gonna work on first. It goes by order, so it's gonna start of course with this one. This is the second one, third one, and then below the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. Okay, that's how you're going to go in order. So this is the first one we're gonna set up. So we're gonna go where it says image source. Okay, right here, that's the image source, and I don't have to tell you what that means. That's of course the link that we just copied, which is the image address. You're gonna highlight this section, and remember, do not erase the little commas thing. Okay, just erase the where it says HTTPS, and then all the way to whatever the format of the image is, which is a JPG. So do a right click, paste. Okay, now there's the image source. Go to file and save. All right, so now let's go to the software, refresh, and look at that. There's the item that we just paste. However, this is just the image. If you click, it will take you to the URL of the image. So how do we change that? So that way when the people click on this image, it will take them to my Amazon affiliate link, which is this one. So once you have set up your image source, you're gonna get the link for this product, which is the one that's going to pay you. So do a copy the link, and then you're gonna go back to the code. Okay, let's get rid of this, and this is the same section. Okay, but for this one, you're gonna type in and look for where it says the href, or for people that do coding know what this means. This is like the redirect. Once someone clicks on something, the href means the redirect. Okay, so I'm not gonna go more into details because I know basic on coding, but that's where the link is gonna go. Okay, so you're gonna paste, and there it is. Okay, now we're gonna save, and now we're gonna do refresh again. Okay, refresh, and now let's click and look at that. Now it's taking me to the real item, which is my Amazon affiliate link. So that way, if people are interested, they will buy this machine, and that's how you're gonna make money on your affiliate links. Okay, and also make you some views on your YouTube channel. And if you sold this software for a reasonable price, you will have also make money there. So 3 ways to make some cash. And yeah, this is basically how simple this code or this program works. I know it might be a little difficult, but trust me, what I have learned in life is that if it's something very easy, it's most likely nothing good. But if it's something that requires more work, more things for you to learn and get you out of your comfort zone, then it's most likely good. And I have shown you proof of how many I have sold. So if you're interested, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will make more videos about this, how to set up your account. I can also provide you set it up for you for an extra fee. So if you buy my software, you can just send me your YouTube video from YouTube and your Amazon links of the item, so that way I know which item I can tag. I can set up your links here too. I can tell you a price, but to be honest, it will be better for you if you learn how to do it yourself. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you in the next video.